y'all, just want to clarify the group Jeopardy assignment. So you will come in here to the URL, you'll paste it, you'll enter it, and then when it prompts you, the password will be password. I've already done that, so it comes right here. And just know that you are responsible for whatever is listed here. So Rachel's responsible for questions 100, 200, and 300. Lauren is responsible for 400 and 500. And the same is listed for each part. So you're responsible for creating questions in regards to children's literature or fairy tales or Alice in Wonderland or Tom Sawyer. And I've done all the teaching methods, and I've asked Robert to do a few as well. So the point being, when you come over here, you'll click on this, and then whatever you would like to put for children's literature that you think might be worth 100 points, you can put. I will share the format of the exam this week as well. And feel free to ask me any questions. If you would like to have a review, you can email me and let me know. So I hope that makes sense to everyone. And I have not included those questions, so you need to go ahead and do that. And note that your grade is dependent solely on your work. So if someone doesn't do the other questions, that's no reflection on you. I hope that makes sense. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.